about to get out here and spray a little bug spray. I'm trying to eat. What does it look like? Yeah, that's what they're doing. Sure enough. Japanese beetles breeding. Look how he's holding her, man. He's rough with it. They're coming up. Run them out of there, Bumblebee. That Bumblebee is like, let me get out of here. Then these little sugar ants are on it too. Oh, he flew off with her. Did you see that? That was wild. I gotta get out here and spray some bug spray and kill them Japanese beetles. They're up on my sunflowers. We're not having that this year. We're not having